With great loss today, Terra LUNA Classic continued to drop more. Now, Mike Henry is one of the crypto experts. He believed that it is over for Terra LUNA Classic coin. One of his tweets saying, that LUNC coin, Terra LUNA Classic, the mighty Terra LUNA Classic is finally over. That's what he said. LUNC coin, Terra LUNA Classic, the mighty Terra LUNA Classic is finally over. And I think what Mike Henry said is, I don't think we all know that, yes, Mike Henry rather, we all know he has been in terms of he has so many concerns for crypto industry. He's a billionaire and he has been saying so many things about crypto industry in the past. And I know that even though he's someone that don't really have much crypto coins, even if he has some coins, there were some people that have some coins he bought, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. But I believe that Terra LUNA Classic saying it is over for Terra LUNA Classic LUNC, I don't think that is true, because there are so many coins in right now. Terra LUNA Classic, in fact, Terra LUNA Classic is still ranked among the top 71 crypto coins with the highest market cap. This is a coin that is ranked among the top 100. So how can you say it is over? There are some coins that are ranked over 1,000, over 1,000. Some are ranked number 900, 500. Some are even ranked number 3,000. These coins are still functioning. Okay, so the only thing we have concerning Terra LUNA Classic is just the history. The only thing we have concerning LUNC is just the history. That what affected Terra LUNA Classic last year after they dropped, the crash. This is what we can say. It is not really good for Terra LUNA Classic. But saying it is over for a coin with a market cap of over $600 million, saying it is over for a coin that is ranked number 70 or 71 crypto coins with the highest market cap, saying it is over for a coin that have almost 90-95% exchanges that have already listed this coin, saying it is over for a coin that the mighty Binance are fully supporting. Even Binance founder CZ is fully supporting this coin and even owns Terra LUNA Classic coin, saying it is over for a coin like Terra LUNA Classic, a coin whereby you see the burning, the 1.2% tax bond has been introduced, and so many people copied from Terra LUNA Classic 1.2% tax bond, and a lot of people have been burning. They have recording great bond, there have been good network upgrade, and so many things have been going on Terra LUNA Classic. And I don't think with a coin with such statistics it is over. I don't think a coin with such statistics is over, because I still believe that yes, something can be done. Terra LUNA Classic can revive. Terra LUNA Classic can bounce back. Terra LUNA Classic LUNC is still one of the best crypto coin, small cap crypto coin right now. Let me not say big cap, because right now Terra LUNA Classic is a small cap crypto coin after losing over $40 billion market cap. Now LUNC just need one thing to be done, and don't be surprised to see Terra LUNA Classic tomorrow trading at 1 cent or 10 cents. Yes, it is possible with Terra LUNA Classic LUNC, but I still believe that yes, something can be done. I still believe LUNC need to go into the chamber room. They need to sit down. The developers need to sit and think of what next to do, think of what next to bring this coin back. But I don't think it is over for Terra LUNA Classic LUNC coin. Please remember, this is not the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.